Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2024 Tesla Model Y, Quicksilver. This is just the full front and the two front doors done with Xpel XR Plus window film. That is the highest IR rejection, which equals heat, 99% UV A and B for skin specific issues. Let's take a look at the car real quick and get moving on our day. Everything's wrapped in, so here we go from the fender. They call it quarter panel or front clips. It's a fender for the front end, driver side, all wrapped in. So you won't see any lines. Not covered, covered. Wrapped in up here, not covered, covered. That's an A pillar. Coming around the fender, we wrap it all in up here, here, here. The hood, fully wrapped edges, corners, nice and clean. No marks from stretching, no marks from mishandling adhesives. When I come around this bezel here for the light on the fender, I wrap all that in. No line, everything's good all the way around. Headlights done, bumper fully done. Tow hook, when you pull it off, all wrapped in. There is no line, it's not oblong like most. All wrapped under, wrapped in, wrapped in. Everything's good, wrapped underneath all this trim all the way through. And much more the same. Emblem comes off real simple, 2A tape. And there it is, much more the same over here. Mirrors, let's not forget those. All done in one full piece. And then wrapped in here. We don't cut it here and leave a line. It goes all the way under. So there it is, Clearbrow, North Dallas, Argyle, Texas. 940-600-1803 or 214-414-3809. I'm Brent. You can get a hold of me at the email address is clearbrownorthdallas@gmail.com or our web address clearbrownorthdallas.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please follow us, please like us, and help us let people see how a wrap should be on a car with the best film out there, Xpel's Ultimate Plus. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.